Hi guys, hope everyone's having a good weekend. I figured I'd take today and show you my collection of OOAK No Bangs Francie dolls. Here is one wearing the lavender No Bangs Francie dress. All these dresses are custom OOAK, but they are exactly like the original, I have to say. Size-wise, just everything. It's really they're really beautiful. And here's another one. She's wearing like an aqua color one, or some people might say turquoise. I guess it might be turquoise. And the headbands that I have on them, I bought some 1/8 inch elastic from Amazon, and I have the link in the description if you want to get some for yourself. Here's another one. She's wearing like a light pastel pink. Actually, it's really Eastery looking. It's really pretty. And she has the pink headband on. I'm going to be fooling with my dolls a little bit while I'm videoing because it's been a while since I took them out. My son is actually napping right now, so I'm like, let me go hurry up and do this real quick before he wakes up and starts screaming in the background. Yes, he's 5. He screams a lot for attention, I guess. Okay, here's another one. It kind of looks red on film, but it's like salmon color. I guess maybe some people might think it looks orangey, maybe, perhaps, like the original. But this one isn't the original. It's a salmon colored one, and it's really pretty. Well, they're all really pretty. I bought every color she ever created, which I got these outfits from So Fine Design by Miss Valenti. I'll have a link in the description if you want to go ahead and get some for yourself. I just, if you like Francie, No Bangs Francies like I do, and you're, wanting something a little bit more than just the typical orange one that she wears, you need to get some of these. They're really beautiful, and they're made so professionally and really so nice. Like you can even see in the back is exactly like the original is, and they each come with like little underwear. It's just to die for real. Okay, now I have this one, which is a brunette, and she has a pastel yellow one and the matching pastel yellow headband. And then we have this one. It's like a flashy color. I don't know, what would you call it? Like a I can't even think of the words right now, but it's really beautiful. And she has a little matching panties. You can almost see through it when you spread the pleats out. But I love it, absolutely love it. And she has a little purple headband. All these colors came in the same pack, so that just worked out beautifully. I only had to buy one thing of elastic, and it was multicolored. This Francie here, her whole entire face was just wiped out, and I'm like, well, let me just go touch this up real quick and, keep her for myself. And she also has the purple headband. I think, as a matter of fact, it's the same color as this one. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so she's wearing the same color, like a purple. I'll end up Googling to try to find like a better matching color. It almost looks really dark blue in this video, but it's not. It's a deep purple. It's really pretty. But that's my purple one. And then I have this one, which is like I guess a dark turquoise. All these dolls are on stands, so if you hear me clanging around, it's because the stand is kind of tagging along with me. But yeah, this is my turquoise one, and they're all so pretty. I love No Bangs Francie dolls. They're absolutely my favorite of the Francie collection. I do have 8. I want more. It's like my obsession. I keep contacting the website I bought these from, like, please make more colors, please make more colors. And she's like, I am when I can. I want some now though. Okay, yeah, so that's my little mini rant. I need more. But yeah, it's just like a quick little background I tried to put on here so you can have some color in the background. And I was thinking Easter and colors, and so that's what's going down here. I do eventually want to make like a little I don't know, I guess like a dance party. I guess that would be really cute, right? If I could actually display it. I don't know how I'm going to do that with a 5-year-old running around, but that would be great if I could do that. And have them like, you know, like a little dance party going on, like some lights flickering in the background. How cool would that be? Right? Yeah. But anyway, so also at the end of this video, I'm going to have a very goofy little clip of myself singing to my dolls, because that's what I do. I love my dolls so much I sing to them, you know, because I am a goofy person. But it was a dare when I was checking to see, you know, like how to video and frame how I'm going to set up these dolls. My husband caught me singing to my dolls, and he dared me to put that little thing at the end of my video. So I'm going to go ahead and take his dare. I'm sorry if you guys can't handle me singing and being goofy. If you can't, you might want to end the video now. If you can and you want to see the goofy side of me, go ahead and take a listen. Because, yep, that's me being goofy. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed this little video of my collection. Maybe if I can back out a little bit more, maybe turn it sideways so you can see more. There we go. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Alright, hope everyone has a happy Easter. Bye. I got a confession about an obsession with my no bangs fancy dolls.